How often does one stop to ponder how much of our daily lives are truly impacted by the invisible hand of artificial intelligence? From the friendly voice assistant that wakes us up in the morning to the intricate algorithms that curate our social media feeds, artificial intelligence, or AI, has woven itself into the fabric of our everyday existence. Now, this might prompt another question: what exactly is artificial intelligence? In the simplest of terms, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to mimic human intelligence. It's about designing machines that can think and learn like us, and it's achieved through features like machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and cognitive computing. Firstly, there's machine learning. It's a technique where computers learn from data. Think of it as a child learning to walk. Initially, the child stumbles, but as time goes by, through trial and error, the child learns to walk properly. Similarly, in machine learning, computers learn from their mistakes and enhance their performance over time. They identify patterns and make predictions based on the data they've been fed. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP. It enables computers to understand and respond to human language. Every time you ask Siri or Alexa a question and get a response, that's NLP at work. It's all about teaching machines our language and getting them to understand context, sentiment, and even sarcasm. Next, we have robotics. When AI meets physical machinery, we get robotics. From autonomous cars to drones delivering packages, robotics is about creating machines that can perform tasks in the real world. They can handle dangerous jobs, improve efficiency, and even provide companionship to the lonely. Lastly, there's cognitive computing. It's about creating intelligent machines that mimic the human brain's decision-making process. Cognitive computers can understand, reason, learn, and interact in a natural and personalized way. They can solve complex problems and make decisions just like a human would. To summarize, the world of AI revolves around machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and cognitive computing. These features enable machines to learn from data, understand human language, perform physical tasks, and make intelligent decisions. They're the invisible force driving a lot of the technology we use today. The impact of AI on our lives is profound and far-reaching. It's redefining how we work, play, and even interact with each other. And as we move further into the 21st century, it's clear that AI is not just a passing trend, but a transformative technology that's here to stay. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather or get a recommendation from Netflix, remember, it's all thanks to the silent work of artificial intelligence.